Operational process assets. It's pretty basic, so I hope you'll learn something as I did.
Go ahead.
All right. As per a project management book, 6th edition, these are plans, policies, processes, procedures, and knowledge base specific to an organization. We will shift once an organization acquires these operational process assets, they become organizational process assets. And so there will be plans, processes, procedures, and knowledge base specific and used by the performing organization. PMI classifies operational process assets into two major categories: current documentation and historical records, knowledge repositories that hold and organize information and make it easily accessible. These can be electronic or filing library systems.
Use the arrow.
Okay. Examples of organizational process assets. Number one, historical records of projects, i.e. issue logs, risk registers, or schedule data. Lesson learned from previous projects, work breakdown, structure templates, proposal evaluation criteria, change control procedures, financial control procedures, project files, project closure guidelines, recommended workflows or processes for change management or defect management, risk templates, standard guidelines. We need to know that these assets are unique to each organization and are usually amassed over time, as each business operates under different environments. The last slide. What are importance of organizational process assets? Going through OPAs informs decision making for future projects, can be used to plan future projects, helps in new hires onboarding as the new employee roles and responsibility is already clearly stipulated. This clarity of roles makes the new hires more efficient. Clear policies in place inform the employees on how to be treated and behave. These policies also guide management into decision making, are an effective tool for employee development as organizational knowledge bases are filled with a variety of resources.
They have created those templates and assets for you to use.